Today I'm going to explain to you how to add friends in the game Arknights Endfield. So leave a like, subscribe for more tips, and let's go. To add friends in this game, first you need to complete the mission where you fix and connect the towers. After finishing this mission, a clock icon will appear at the top of the screen. Inside this menu, you'll find the Friends option. When you open this screen, the one that looks like a rectangle, you can copy your ID. Send this ID to your friend through WhatsApp or any chat app. Your friend will then take your ID, go to Add Friend, paste the number, and search. Important: both players must have reached this part of the game. Once the ID is searched, your profile will appear. Your friend just needs to tap Add, and the request will show up in the Requests section for you to accept. However, there's an important detail. The game currently does not have multiplayer. Adding friends is only for things like sharing achievements and progress. You can't actually play together yet. It's a bit disappointing, but that's how the game works right now. Maybe multiplayer will be added in the future, but for now, it's not available.